Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Isha coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, October 25th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 41 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 55 and a low of 44, with clouds and showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Lily. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports. Last night, the Blackhawks lost in a shootout against the Calgary Flames by a score of 3-2. And tonight, the Cubs will play the first game of the World Series at 7 o'clock in Cleveland. And now, to cheer them on, here's Mrs. Antonson's class playing Go Cubs Go on Boomwhackers.
Go Cubs go! Go Cubs go! Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. Go Cubs!
Great job, Room 209. Clubs meeting today are PBIS ambassadors at 11:45 in the music room, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade Boys Run Club in room 112 at 3 o'clock, Game and Conversation Club in the library at 11:45, Puzzle Club in room 110 at 3 o'clock, and tomorrow morning, Chess Club in the library at 7:45. And now for a new segment in the WHVR studio. Meet the Hoover staff. Here is our first wonderful staff member, Miss Young.
I would say my favorite thing about being a teacher is when my students become successful after we've been working really hard on a new task on our instruments. I really like to run. I've been running a lot of races lately, and I also like to do adult paint by numbers. I would say my favorite thing to do with my class is when we go caroling around the school during the holidays.
Here's today's interesting fact. Do you know why tonight's World Series game will be played at Progressive Field in Cleveland? In 2003, it was decided that the winning team of the All-Star game in the summer would determine which league would have the home field advantage for the World Series. The July 12th game was won by the American League. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the third graders in room 114. Have a terrific Taco Tuesday.